What's Bob up to? Hooking with Bob. Hit that like, subscribe, notification.
You got one? Oh, that might be a little something, something. Got light action, but pulling nice. Yeah. Oh, he got barracuda. Look at that. Oh, no. Did he hook the barracuda? That almost never happens. Wow, he's got a barracuda. Come up and slam something. He's hooked. Wow, that was cool. I hope that shows up on my video. Oh, now you're in trouble on that little pole. Oh my gosh, that was cool. That's a huge one if you can get him in. Yeah, let me get my line in and help you if you end up getting him up here. Wow.
That was sweet to see. I like it.
I know, but usually they get away because the hook doesn't, you know.
I let him feed on it for a little while.
Yeah, that's cool, man. He's pulling you. I'm gonna get the net, which I don't ever have to get out, sadly. Man, look at this. We got us a big old barracuda if he can land it. Oh, he's pulling you. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He was very good size, way big. It's gonna take a while on that rig. Uh-oh, he's getting some action. He's coming in towards you. Uh-oh, he didn't like that. Barry. That's a good one. I'm impressed. Usually that never happens. Uh-oh. Here we go again. He's going to the front of the boat. Oh!
I was surprised.
I know, me too, especially on that rod and reel. Good job, though.